Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for checking out our membership. Let me explain to you what this is all about. We thought about 3 different ways we can bring extra value to our members. The first one is by giving you access, priority access to our new courses. So we will be uploading all the courses we produce from now on in this YouTube membership first. And as time goes on, there will be more and more and more courses in here, meaning more and more value for you guys. The reason we are doing this is that we notice when we create a course for Udemy, for example, we need to create the entire course before we can publish it. On the other hand, here on YouTube, we could produce section 1 and 2 of this course and then push that on month number 1. And then as we continue producing the course, we could publish section 3 and 4 the following month, etc., etc. So the YouTube membership allows us to drip publish our courses, the different sections of our courses, in a much more flexible manner. And we also believe for you guys, for the members, it would be fresh content on a regular basis. So that is perk number 1 of the membership. All our new courses will be here for all the members to enjoy right here on YouTube. Perk number 2, access to us and to the community. We want to get to know you a bit better. And we also want you to get to know us a bit better. So how do we plan to do this? Well, we will be using the community feed to share exclusive posts for our members, telling you a bit more about the backstory, telling you a bit more about, like the behind the scenes, how we run the business. But also we'd like to hang out. So we will be organizing YouTube live sessions at least once per month. We see these live sessions as an opportunity for our members to get closer to us, but also to ask us specific questions. So that would be perk number 2, monthly live sessions. And last but not least, the third perk in this membership will be to give you access to exclusive tools. And the first one we have in mind, and I'm sure we'll come up with some more, is to give you access to all of our ChatGPT prompt templates. So all of these prompts that we use in our tutorial, that we use in our courses, there is a course about ChatGPT coming up in this membership. All of these prompts will be gathered into documents, or even better, we can share the ChatGPT chats, the conversation where we design these prompts with our membership members, meaning you can simply click on continue this conversation and start using our prompts. So that means you will be saving a bunch of time and get to try all of the ChatGPT prompts we create here on this channel. So that's pretty much the extra value we've thought about for our members. Now, obviously, if you join the membership, you also support us, Diana and I, but also our team, our business, to continue doing what we do and continue bringing value to this community. Thank you for watching. If you would like to check it out, become a member, and you can cancel at any time, hit that join button right here.